Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to use Canva Magic Resize for multi-platform posts. So Canva Magic is a paid tool that converts a single design into multiple dimensions or basically formats. Now, all you gotta do is just hit Resize and choose if you want to translate your design into another language. Maybe you want to resize your design into whatever format you need or transform into a doc. So, by the way, you can get the free trial for 7 days or 14 days, depending on, your region. So, you can go ahead and grab the free trial and use the Magic or Canva Magic Resize tool, right? So, let's say I'm gonna use the resize here, right? And choose like the perfect size or the perfect fitting, right? Let's say for social media, so I'm gonna choose for Instagram post 4:5 ratio, etc. Right? Same goes with translate if you want to translate your design or transform into a doc. So as we said, Canva Magic is a paid tool that turns a single design into multiple dimensions or format. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.